dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't download apps from App Store, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Apple ID, so it will be in the top of this list, and just tap on it to choose sign out, and just wait a few seconds and just sign in again with your Apple ID. So after, just try again to download some app, and if you still have this issue, so just try another way. So just go to the general in the settings, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID. So on this models of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep on hold power button. And if you still have this error, so just try to go to the general, and in the general you need to find here reset, and just try to reset all settings. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.